Hi, Vanessa here. In this video I am going to be sharing with you a couple of Lion Brand's new I want to make a blankie. It's available at walmart.com, and also your local Walmart may carry them. You can also order it directly from Lion Brand Yarns. Okay, so I have two different colors here. So this color is Caluna. I think I'm saying that correctly. And this one is Zinnia. Okay, so this is a mixture of different shades of pink. And this one is light pink, blue, teal, and white. Okay, so I actually purchased this one at my local Walmart store. My son picked it out. He wanted a blanket, so I got this color here. Okay, so this is a super bulky weight. It is 100% polyester, machine washable and dryable, which is important if you're making a baby blanket. It recommends using an 8mm knitting needle or a 9mm crochet hook. So these are perfect for beginners if they want to make a baby blanket as a gift for someone that's expecting. If you knit a blanket using their pattern inside, it is going to be a 42 by 42 inch blanket, and then if you crochet, it's going to be a 33 by 33 inch. Now, if you don't already know, crocheting uses a lot more yarn than knit does. Okay, so inside the label they have two patterns available. One is for I want to knit a blankie, so obviously that's going to be a knit blanket. Okay, so all the instructions for the pattern is inside the label, and then they also have a I want to crochet a blankie. If you wanted to make a blankie either in knit or crochet, you have your patterns right inside of the label. I was extremely happy and excited when I saw these at my local Walmart stores. They just look so fun to work with. If you love knitting with bulkier yarn, this is perfect, or even crochet. But yeah, so I'm super excited to start on a project for my son, and I'll have to think about what I'll make with these. Okay, and maybe I'll make a tutorial out of it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.